creators, in this video I'm revealing my top 5 AI video tools that will save you time, boost your creativity, and they are all 100% free. If you've been searching for the best tool to level up your content, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. So we're going to explore it for Animo AI. So let's go to our browser and type Animo AI. All right, I'll drop the link in the description. So I already have my prompts that I want to use. So in this site, you can actually generate image and also turn your text to video. All right, so this is it. This is for image. So when you go back, if you haven't used it before, you have to sign up. So this is how the interface looks like. You can generate a lot of images with it. As you can see, the images look so stunning, but this is not what we are here to do. So let's sign up first. Let's sign up. So we are back. Once you sign up, you'll be given free credit. All right, so let's select this plus sign. So now this is image and anim. All right, so this is image and anim. So this image is where you generate your image. This is anim. So this anim now means you can actually upload your anim images or any of your images that you want, or you can press in your prompts and turn it to a video. So before using this, you have to upload an image. Before using this, you have to upload an image, any image of your choice at all. Okay, so let me look for an image that I will upload. All right, so let's highlight our prompt and delete it. So let's cut it. I'll just write in singing and remaking a hand gesture. All right, so after that, I will select generate. Remember, they don't accept any image that is not PNG. You don't accept anyhow image. Okay, so let us, in order to check it, you go to general history. That's where you see your image generating. As you can see, it's written pending. All right, so you have to wait for a while. So these are most of the anim videos I created with it. So let me play one now so that you see it. This is really, it is damn beautiful. As you can see, this is it, but it has a watermark. It has a watermark. So this history is where you check other stuff that you created. So these are most of the things I created. Okay, can you see that? It looks so clean and beautiful. Okay, so now our video is ready. So let's click on it. Let's see our video. Can you see it's actually moving its lips and singing? So that is it. So after that, the next thing to do is to download. So this is the option where you download your video. Just select here and boom, your video will be downloaded. Okay, so you download it. All right, now let's go back. Now the second tool we are going to explore is called Pieceverse. All right, so let's go to our Play Store and type Pieceverse. All right, so when you type Pieceverse, you select search. So as you can see, it's already installed on my phone. All right, so after downloading it, you install it. All right, so let's go over here. So let me type Pieceverse. So this is it. Now this is how the interface looks like. You can use it to now this is only for image to video. All right, it's only for image to video. All right, so I've uploaded. This is where you upload your image and choose the one you want. So I've already uploaded my video, my image. So all I have to do, I'm going to tell Pieceverse to make my character to walk with confidence. All right, so that is it. So let's select create. So before using this Pieceverse, you have to sign up. All right, you have to sign up. Then you select this icon. This is where you see most of your works. Okay, So this is it. So let's see our animated character. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see she's walking majestically? So after that, you say, if you select it this way, you select this icon and select MP4. In a set MP4, then you download it. Okay. So as you can see, it is downloaded completely. So that is how to use this tool. So the next tool we're going to explore is called Digen AI. Okay. So let's type Digen AI. So this is it, Digen AI. One of the best tools that I use for my animation. So this is how the interface looks like. Can you see that? This is it. This is how the interface looks like. This is a lot of things that people created, so you can as well check out most of them. If you want to generate similar thing, you can scroll down and access them. So that is it. So after that, you select create. So before selecting create, you have to sign up. If you haven't used it for the first time, I've been using it, so I don't need to sign up. So once you sign up, this is how the interface will look like. So it has an option for video and image. Okay, so this is for video, this is for image. So all you have to do is to upload your video, upload your image here and choose the image that you want. Okay, all right, I've selected the image I want to turn to video. Okay, so I have to wait. Once it's 100%, your image will be uploaded. All right, as you can see, this is 16:9 image. All right, so if it's not 16, if you didn't upload 16:9, you can as well click here and select the aspect ratio that you want. So mine is 16:9. Okay. All right. So let's show you this one. This is 16:9. And the next thing to do is to type in your prompt. So I'll write, I want my character to be drinking coffee. All right. So after that, you scroll by the side. Remember to on your desktop site. As you can see, mine is on. So on your desktop site. So after that, you select generate video. So like this, I would advise you to generate this, to use this site early in the morning, because most times a lot of people are creating their own work as well. So do it early in the morning so that you'll be able to use a lot. So this create a lot. So this site gives free 300 coins every day. It gives free 300 coins every day, and it consumes each video consumes 20 credits. So with 300 free credits, you can be able to generate as much video as you want for free. Okay, our video is ready. As you can see, she's sipping her cup of coffee, so this is this she's drinking. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right, so after that, you tap on it and you download. This is Digen AI. Okay, so let's dive in. The fourth one is Sound AI. Sound AI. Sound AI. Yes, you heard me right. So let's move to Sound AI. So now this is it. You can actually use it without signing up. All right. As you can see, it is clearly stated here. You have to verify if you are a human first before using it. Okay. So this is where you press in your prompts. Okay. All right. So I've pressed my prompt here. So this is it, a floating island in the sky with waterfalls spilling into a fluffy clouds, a small cottage surrounded by pink cherry blossoms, fancy landscape, soft glowing light. So after that, you select generate. So our video is generating. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss my latest AI tips, and drop a comment below. It's your favorite AI tool. I love reading your ideas. It is generating. It is generating. Okay. So, can we play this? This is our video. So, can you see how beautiful it is? This is the prompt I typed. Look at how beautiful. This looks so realistic. Okay. So, that is it. This is it. This is how the interface AI 2 we are going to use AI look like. And we're going AI, right? Alright, so videos, let's start. Access to videos. So, that is it. Right, we're in AI. So let's select here. Select it. So after this, we are gonna log in. We'll log in with our Google account. Log in with your Google account. Select continue. Alright. So the next thing to do is just to slide like this. Just slide like this. It will be verified. Okay. So after that, you select confirm. Yes. After that, you select confirm. So now it brings us to this amazing interface where you do a lot of things, web developments. We use it for web dev, deep research, image generation, video generation, and artifacts. So we're going to paste our prompts here and select this video generation. Okay, you choose the aspect ratio that you want. You choose the aspect ratio that you want. So these are the amazing things that people created. So you can as well use it to generate yours as well. So let's select send after choosing our aspect ratio. You see, this is very, very beautiful. That video quality is amazing. All right, it's amazing. So you have to wait. Once it's done loading, you see your video. So our video is almost ready. So once it's 100, you are good to go. Yeah, good to go. So one thing I love about this site is that you won't even you want to use any VPN for it. You just log in and you get your quality video, all right? And you can still be generating it and leave this interface, and once you're back, you will definitely see it. Okay, so our video is ready. Oh my goodness, this looks so amazing. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I really love this. I love this. All right, so after that, you click here and download your video. You click here and download. It is absolutely free. You don't need to pay a dime. You don't need to pay anything. All right, so let's try out another prompt. So let me. Okay, so this is another prompt. Can you see this? These are the things that they generated here. It is clean. This when AI is clean, you can use it to. So let's try out something else. Okay. All right. So let's paste our prompt and try out something else. These sites, I will recommend you to try all these sites out. If you haven't tried any, try them out. It is completely free, 100% free. You don't need to pay a dime. It is free. You can live here and go and do other things. Once you are back, definitely, once you select this interface, all right, you select the ones that you've generated. You will see the ones that you've generated. All right. So if I click here now, I'll see the video that I've generated previously. It is saved here. It is saved here. And the good aspect of it is that it doesn't have any watermark. Can you see that there is no watermark in the video? Site is amazing. This site is mind-blowing. This is it. This is the next one. Can you see that? Can you see how the quality of the visual is But I need you to try this out. I really love this. I really love this. I really love this. So try it out and tell and give me a feedback. So this was the first one generated with this site. All right. And this was the second one. All right. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, share it with another creator who might need these tools. You can check out more tutorials linked right here on the screen. Keep creating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.